Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Koko Kurniawan dari Prodi D3 Teknik Telekomunikasi Institut Teknologi Telkom Purwokerto tahun 2018. Ya. eh, Sebelumnya, di sini saya akan mempresentasikan tugas tugas akhir mata kuliah Metodologi Penelitian dengan dosen pengampu Bapak Muntaqo Alfin Amanaf, SST/MT. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, my supervisor Muntaqo Alfin Amanaf, SST/MT, and this final project with title Implementation Sensor Network as Monitoring System, Humidity, Land, and Temperature Air on Strawberry Crops based Protocol LoRa. The outline for this background to the formulation of problem, scope of problem, goals, reset library, reset flowchart, component, and block diagram system. Okay, this program for final project, this one wireless sensor network, technology network, wireless sensor network connected to it in a manner ad hoc, not need infrastructure as BTS on network cellular, so that range communication on WSN can done in the region that that difficult reachable. 2. Strawberry plant. Strawberry plant require a certain level of humidity and also a certain temperature in order to live and thrive. In planting strawberries for the temperature around 4 until 23 Celsius. Usually if planting strawberries is not right, then strawberries will not developing and bear fruit well. The next system planning for final project. This system use the LoRa Dragonocil by sending packets the counter from and device number 50 packets with propagation loss and loss at distance of 100 meter, 150 meter, and 200 number of channel received, which was used on X canal. Specification on when testing, and device use transmission power of 20 dBm with Omni 3 dBi and gateway antenna have transmission power 27 dBm and reception sensitivity means minus 1039 dBm using antenna Omni 2 dBi power. Testing which is done constitute testing success rate and packet loss in data transmission counter. And device is configuration so that it can send packets from 1 to 50 with a delay of second at every shipment. Related research find a study related to the temperature and humidity monitoring system based on the LoRa protocol. And then the formulation of problem. This one, how system work from soil moisture and humidity sensor by using LoRa. 2. How influence distance the quality of the measurements given. 3. How influence condition loss, and loss to quality that signal was given. Scope of problem final project. 1. Not discuss site electronic as a whole, but is more focused in the telecommunication field. 2. Measurement used only for soil moisture monitoring and air temperature quality using sensor DHT, DHT 11 and sensor soil moisture. 3. Measurement parameter use are RSSI, signal power, and maximum range. Next, goal for final project. This one, knowing the work system of implementation soil moisture sensor and DHT11 sensor for the quality monitoring process humidity soil and air temperature. 2. Knowing the effect of distance between not header with quality measurement which are given. 3. Knowing the effect in 2014, Kusbianto Wisnu Pambudi with title Design Backup Wireless Sensor Network for Monitoring Temperature and Humidity on Plants System. In 2016, Aditya Kurniawan with title Implementation and Analysis Network Wireless Sensor for Monitoring Temperature, Humidity, and CO2 on Room. In 2016, Prince Asria with title Design Backup System Monitoring Humidity Soil Use Wireless Sensor based on Arduino. In 2019, DPK Richard Gilang Wisduanto with title Implementation System Acquisition Sensor Data Agricultural Use Protocol Communication LoRa. Next, Internet of Things. Internet of Things has evolved from technology convergence, micro-electromechanical system, or MEMS, wireless technology, and the Internet. On the Internet of Things, the word things can be defined as the subject. So far, the Internet of Things is most closely related to machine communication in field of electricity, manufacturing, petroleum, and gas. This product is designed with machine-to-machine communication capability or an intelligent system. Internet of Things can also include other sensor technologies. Next, LoRa. LoRa or long range is a modulation format that has power rate very low. By combining RF LoRa transceiver with LoRa gateway, concentrator can create a network with large range to control millions of devices. Frequency values in LoRa vary according little area frequency. If in Asia, the use is 4 4000 20 4033 MHz. In Europe, the frequency value used that is 8 8068 MHz, while in North America the frequency used is 9015 MHz. Next, LoRa architecture. This LoRa architecture and device, concentrator, network server, and application server. This one, geolocation. The geolocation feature on LoRa allows you to know the location of object or sensor. 2. Long battery life. with the required power consumption very low is 10 3 milliampere, so the battery can survive from 10 to 20 years. Long range. The LoRa module can cover distance of up to 2 km on one module unit, so that it has that range farther than other FM communication modules. For high capacity, this LoRa module supports millions per base message station that can be used for public network operator. They serve a lot customer. Next, secure. In the LoRa module, there is end-to-end IS 100 128 encryption that can provide data security. Next, research flowchart for final project. The research flowchart, this start. Next, determine of location with loss and loss propagation. Next, determination of location data. In this location, in accordance with the criteria. If no, the process back to determine of location with loss and loss propagation. Next, determine of location data and is the location in accordance with the criteria. The next flowchart, this input for LoRa network design at the loss and loss side. Next, cost measurement of LoRa and loss network, and cost measurement of LoRa loss network. Next, measuring maximum distance of LoRa and loss coverage. Measuring the maximum distance of LoRa loss coverage. Next, this process analysis of QoS measurement result and maximum distance of LoRa network coverage. And next, finish this process. And then next, component for final project: Arduino Uno, DHT11, LCD, soil moisture, and LoRa Dragino shield. And the last, block diagram system for final project. And device transmit for transmit in a LoRaWAN gateway RAK with LoRa protocol. Next, LoRaWAN gateway transmit LoRa ID with Wi-Fi interface. LoRa ID transmit and receive in Antares ID. Antares ID transmit and receive in Android application. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.